this is your first time viewing the Battle of the Boxes video I do every month, these are monthly subscriptions that I get through IPSY and through Allure, and they're beauty boxes. So they're all about makeup, hair, skincare, all of that. And so it's lots of fun. I get to try out stuff. I get trial sizes to see if I like them or not. I get full size products, which are amazing, which I love that. So those things I'll be showing you. Now IPSY cost is about $39 and Allure is $27 a month membership. And either or, you can also purchase annual fee for both of them as well. So let's get going. Let's do Allure first. Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in taupe, $26. I'm excited about trying this because this is like all over the internet and all over social media that this is like the best kind of brow pencil that you could ever want. So I'll be giving this a try. Neulastin Lash Follicle Fortifying Serum, $84. Wow, this is $84, but this is a lash serum. I'm thinking it's probably comparable to the Grand Lash MD, which is like $69. So I'll be really excited about trying this out because I know I really love the Grand Lash MD because that's where my eyelashes have grown so much. And so I'll be looking forward to doing that. Wonderful. 84 bucks. Woohoo! Color Wow Color Security Shampoo, $7.50. I've already tried this and this is really nice. It does keep my hair nice and soft. And I do like it that it says 100% clean, residue free. And I'm excited about that it leaves no residue behind to dull hair, dull the color. So far it's so good and cheap, $7.50. I like that. Ofra eyeliner pencil in black, $13. I haven't tried this yet. I've never had an eyeliner from Ofra, so I've never used one from there, so I'll be excited about trying this out. And this one's in black. Cool, $13. Real Her Magic Black to Pink Watery Lip Stain. I've tried this and oh my goodness, does it stain your lips. My recommendation, because this is so dark, is that put it on, wait 5 minutes or so, and then take it off because it was stained for like 2 days. My lips were stained. And it did mellow out there after a while, so it got down to like a light pink shade, which is nice, but this was like red, which is like crazy red. So this was $24. Sephora Collection Super Brightening Serum, $5.87. So this is just a trial or travel one from Sephora. So I don't use vitamin C because I have very sensitive skin, so I don't use vitamin C or retinol. I use a really low percentage of retinol in my skincare products. So this one I may have to give out to a friend because it does have vitamin C in it. So we'll see. That was $5.87. Toca Lilia Eau de Parfum, $2.58. Pretty cool. I like getting perfume in the mail. I don't think I can get it open. There we go. Doesn't seem to be coming out. No, doesn't want to come out. I'll have to give it a try later. That was $2.58. My Smile Teeth Whitening Strips, $4.38. So I get 2 strips in here. 2 strips, and we'll see how that goes. Okay, 2 treatments. So I get 2 treatments out of this. So we'll see how this goes. I like teeth whitening strips. I can always use those. And that was $4.38. Total retail price on the Allure box was $167.33. So some okay stuff. I really liked the Color Wow shampoo. I'm looking forward to using the lash growth serum and the Ofra eye pencil. So I'm looking forward to a few things to try from there. Now let's get into the IPSY box. Galactic 2-in-1 Luminous Tint Foundation, $32. I've tried this already. This is really good, and you can build it up to full coverage on this. So and it's even in my right shade, which is amazing. But I did try it, and I do like it. It's, again, the Luminous Tint Foundation from Galactic. So pretty nice. Live Beauty Eyeshadow Palette, $32. And look at all these beautiful shades. Oh my goodness, what gorgeous shades there are. Beautiful, beautiful shades. I'll be interested in getting into this palette. It's beautiful. Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Blush and Encourage, $25. Used this already. I couldn't help it. I wanted to use it, but it is so, so pretty. Let me put a little swatch on the back of my hand. It's got such a beautiful shimmery shade and soft pink, like a rose color. Isn't that beautiful? I'm really loving that. That's super beautiful. Let's see what we got here. Milk Makeup Kush Sheer Hydrating Oil in Dream Machine, $26. This is so beautiful on, and it doesn't cake up at the corners of your mouth. Oh, but it's so, I just love a good lip oil. It's so hydrating to my lips. And like I said, it doesn't crust up around my lips, on the corners of my lips. It just gives a nice, beautiful glow, and it feels almost like it's a plumping, because I can feel sort of stuff going on there. So it feels like it's plumping. So, but yay, I'm liking that. Just Zima 5-piece brush set, $18. Now this I would pay for $18. Some of the purchases of foundation brushes are just like, I cannot believe, $84 for one brush. No, not going to do that. I don't care how good the brush is. I don't care how much money I got. I'm not spending $84 on a brush. But all these brushes, yes, I would spend $18 on that. But there's lots of really good brushes in here. So yeah, nice angled brush, fluffy brushes. Looks like there's a dense one, maybe like for a concealer brush. So anyway, pretty cool. Drunk Elephant Multivitamin Eye Cream, $64. I was a little concerned about the Drunk Elephant eye cream here, because again, I am sensitive to vitamin C, but I tried it the other night and it didn't bother me. So I'm hoping that there isn't as much vitamin C in there. So, but I love Drunk Elephant. Oh, some great, great, great skincare and cosmetics too. So they're pretty good. So anyway, that one was $64. The total price on the IPSY box was $197. Welcome to my channel, Living Your Best Life, and I'm Cindy Smaha, and today I am so excited because it's that time again. It's time for Battle of the Boxes between IPSY and Allure. We compare these two and see which box gives us the best bang for our buck. But before we get into all that fun, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click that little bell right next to it so you'll be notified of all my future uploads. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I so love to hear from you. So, let's get into it. So to me, yeah, again, it looks like IPSY won. I'm thrilled about some of the things I got. The Milk Makeup, the Rare Beauty, I really like that. The brushes, but I really do like the Allure, so there's good stuff in here as well. The Anastasia Brow Wiz, the Color Wow, the whitening strips, the eyelash serum, so there's some really good stuff in here as well, but I do think IPSY just edged out, just real slightly edged out at $197. So I hope this was fun for you to see all these products and see how much they cost. And I'm excited to be able to talk to you about them. But I just want you to know that I so care about you. I love you. I pray for you. I hope you are living your best life because I sure am. So I will see you next week, Monday at 4. Have a great week. Bye-bye.